Hi folks, today we are going to learn how an email service works. I'll take a simple example. Let's say I am using Gmail, which is the service provider, and I want to send an email to my friend who is using Outlook email server. So remember, I've used Gmail and Outlook. These are the email servers. Gmail is from Google and Outlook is from Microsoft. Now let's break it down into component wise how an email from Gmail is received to my friend who is using Outlook. So let us jot down the diagram for that. Okay, first the component is user interface. Let me write the full form as well. User interface. Here we are using Gmail. Okay, now the second important component will be SMTP. SMTP. Let me write the full form as well. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. And the third component, that is IMAP. IMAP stands for Internet Message Access Protocol. Now let's take an example. I'm a user who wants to send email from Gmail, and this is my friend. Let us give names. This is let's take a tech name here. Okay, I think there was somebody at the door. Let me continue. So this is an user one who wants to send email. Let me write text around that. Okay, this is me, Vinayak, and this is my friend Ganesha. Okay, now Ganesh is using Outlook. I'm using Gmail. Okay, let's continue from here. Enough of this. Okay, so Vinayak is using Gmail, Ganesh is using Outlook. So as I was understanding, I was explaining the three components: user interface, SMTP, and IMAP. So user interface is basically responsible for what we see. Now it has functionalities like composing email, attaching files, click send, read inbox, or delete or move emails. So this typically talks to the server in the backend. Now what SMTP does is whenever you click send, it finds the recipient mail server and email is transferred to them. So think of it like a post office. And the port number that is used to do that is port 587 for secure submission, and then there is port 465 for SSL. Now SMTP, once the email is sent, the recipient will have to obviously read those emails, and that is achieved via IMAP. Okay. Now in IMAP, the emails are fetched. Emails stay in this server. Why IMAP is used is typically IMAP syncs across devices. So if you delete an email, let's say in your mobile, the same email will get deleted when you're using Gmail in your desktop. So IMAP is used for that reason. And the ports that are used for reading the emails as port 143 and port 993. Now let's go back to our original conversation, how an email is sent from Gmail to Outlook. So firstly, email is sent from Vinayak. So Vinayak writes email subject, recipient, email subject, text in body, and mentions to Ganesh email address. Once that is done, the user Vinayak here, once he sends the email, that first email that now user is trying to send, so it goes to Gmail SMTP. Gmail SMTP. Now Gmail SMTP sends this mail to Outlook email server. This is Outlook email server. Once the email is received from the Outlook email server, as you can see, trying to connect those dots. Now, in the Outlook email server, IMAP will be used to read the emails. So this is the typical flow of how an email reaches from Gmail from user A, Vinayak, to user B using Outlook. So thank you everyone for watching the video till the end. For more such videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and I hope you like this video.